Now, hate of any kind is something we should not associate with at all. Why go through the bedding of hate when it is much easier to show some love? On social media, hate speech is a big problem all around the world, and in South Sudan, it has become very worrying. Now, that is why a group called Defy Hate Now is doing all it can to reduce and eventually stop the spill of hate online and in the real world. Hate speech on social media is a big problem in South Sudan. Online insults can even spill over into the real world, sometimes in the form of physical attacks. Marina Modi founded the group Defy Hate Now, which holds workshops to tackle online abuse. She believes young people in South Sudan are in the best position to take action.
We can stay together without dividing ourselves. We can stay together without having these elements of hate inherited from the elders to our generation, because this generation and the future generation relies on the decisions that we make. It is a matter of choice.
The civil war, which has been raging in the country since 2013, has coincided with a stark rise in hate speech on social media. Deep divisions between the country's 64 ethnic tribes are getting worse, and some people are using online platforms to spread propaganda. Marina Modi is campaigning across the country, making radio and TV appearances. She even left her job teaching journalism to dedicate herself to this cause.
We are also looking for people we can partner with, the diaspora community, especially where South Sudanese community are, so that we can also reach out to them on the impacts of some of the messages, because in the research we did some years back, it indicated that some of the hate speech is coming from our community in the diaspora.
In South Sudan, the war has also made the media a target. Journalists are often arrested for covering certain stories or accused of spreading fake news. Modi's group uses Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to show the other side of the story. They encourage people to make up their own minds.
At the end of the day, the society is ours. At the end of the day, we still remain within South Sudan. Even if we travel, we go somewhere else, even if we go and get a second citizenship or a third citizenship, I don't know how possible that is, but this still remains our community, it still remains our country of origin. And how we should build it will need us to all put our heads together, irrespective of the different groups.
Only then, she says, will the war come to an end, online and offline. Now that's some great stuff this group is doing. So, as cliche as it may sound, let's spread love, right? And not hate. Now, on that note, show some love by sharing this video and subscribing to this YouTube channel simply by clicking on the red button below, okay? Share your lovely thoughts with us also in the comment section below. After all, this is your YouTube channel, the 77% where Africa's youth come to interact.